how to set Dolby Atmos audio to auto, movie, music, or voice on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top. Then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, scroll down and then tap on sounds and vibration. After that, scroll down and then tap on sound quality and effects. Then at the top here, tap on the Dolby Atmos toggle button to switch it on. Then tap on the left hand side panel. In here, you could select auto, movie, music, voice. So select one of the options. Now each of these categories provide a different audio experience. So if you select movie, it will deliver the best possible audio for films, shows, and videos. If you select music, then make all of your music sound richer, fuller, and more balanced. If you select voice, it will make voices loud and clear when you are speaking on the phone, when you are trying to recording a voice file. And that's it. After, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.